hello guys, it's MCP Lord 10 Gaming and
we're gonna visit my world. My name is Mike the Pro. It's hello
Mike the
neighbor
Pro, full release, and we got multiplayer guys, multiplayer. And after that guys, we're gonna multiplayer Mike the Pro. What? We're gonna play. Oh, download join. Okay, what's happening that? I don't know. So JT, oh, what's lag? I might get first lag or so. Oh, it's okay. Now, oh, hey! Where's you, my friend? Oh, there you, Mike the Pro. Mike the Pro, guys, Mike the Pro is here.
Oh, look at that!
Sorry.
Oh, look at that sign! Oh, yeah!
Oh, what the guys? Look at that sign. Look at website.
Yeah.
MC video. Let's go, MC.
Okay, I'm gonna read.
No
Hello
breaking.
neighbor by Chip. Rules: no breaking blocks, no cheating. Find a key to the front door to escape. Don't get farm. Have fun.
Oh.
This map is different from it was the best that I create my own version because the game keep updating. Sorry.
Oh, okay. It's okay. Created by
What
Chip.
is in this chest?
Can I get? Oh.
It's just a piece of milk.
Okay. Get
okay,
it.
give me that.
Hey, I want you. I will give you.
Okay, all this. We call this every day. Whoa.
Oh, I enter now. So you're the time now. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you, shit. You come to me. Oh,
Come to me. We have it half.
what's that?
It's the wardrobe that I make me invisible.
Oh.
Oh, it's the neighbor.
Where?
It's not the neighbor. It's in the kitchen. Look, it's in the kitchen.
What?
Look. You need to see that. Oh. You're invisible, please.
I don't invisible. So, you know?
Why are you scared?
Oh, it's calm. Alright, let's out in here. Hey, out of that. Out of that.
A bit pain.
Oh.
Oh, I saw the neighbor. Look.
What the? I'm lagging.
This is the neighbor. Look at this. I saw the neighbor.
Wait, I'm not. Where?
Look.
I don't.
It's in the kitchen. Come
What
on.
the? You villager?
Oh.
I'm gonna kill you, villager. Oh shit.
Hey.
Villager, but I know that this is.
It is you. Look at this. I think he used this potion of swiftness.
But I see a villager in my world, but I don't know, guys. I see a villager. We need this. Could you kill this because this is a neighbor? What? Can I see? Oh, this is a neighbor, guys.
It's a neighbor villager.
This is a mod, guys. This is a mod.
Everybody could be asking a hobby. What you gotta do? What you gotta do? Are you really gonna?
Shit.
Look at that. You felt me.
We need to kill this. Oh, help me.
You need to kill you.
Oh, leave that sucker's fucking shit.
Okay, hobbits in.
What's this? What's in this chest? Nothing.
Okay, we're gonna close the door. Okay.
And we play. Hey, where's the starting beginning? Oh, we need to get the bed. Want it? And hey you, bro. Where's Mike the Pro? Oh, there's your bed. Oh, I put it.
Okay.
Oh.
Nice job. And who's the?
Hey, get the door. Hey, get the bed. Get the bed.
Oh, it's a neighbor. It's invisible. Oh no. Really? This is so noble how the is more creepy, no? Every time I coffee. Oh! What you gonna do now? Oh.
Hey, Mike the Pro. Hey, Mike the Pro.
What is it?
Get your bed right now. Cause we're gonna enter the game. How to exit in this place? Oh, do you remember? Nah, I don't. Oh,
Oh,
shit. Who did that?
I found the key required.
Sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Oh,
Sorry.
you hurt me, bro. It's a wardrobe that with invisible potion.
Wait,
Oh, I
what's
found the
this?
bed.
Basement keycard keeper.
Look at that. It's the neighbor's bed. Bedroom. Look. Found it.
Garage door keycard required.
We need the
Shit.
garage door key card. Okay, we.
This is the game right there.
Oh,
Oh.
it's the basement key card. Okay.
Excuse me. Then. Oh, what's this?
Okay, let's see.
I'm invisible.
Oh, it's a kitchen.
No. Oh, but I'm invisible now. Where are you, Mike the Pro? Shit.
Oh yeah, I found. Oh,
Oh, where are you? Where are you, Mike the Pro? Come into me. Come in. Oh. Oh, what will we do in this place?
I don't know. Look. Okay, we're gonna find the key card. I think.
Maybe? Whoa, find me if you can. Where's the neighbor? Oh, who's did
It's
that?
invisible. Oh, it's a library.
Hey, Mike the Pro, come to me, eh? And you?
Okay, let's see what they got.
What is in this upstairs? So, can we know it? Dante didn't play this. Hey, where are you? Go upstairs. And where are you? I can. Oh, where did you get? Hey, come.
We have wooden axe.
Can I get wood? Search. Oh. Nothing here.
We need to find the key card right now.
We don't know. Oh, just leave it alone. Leave it. I'm gonna go out and exit this place. Hey you, Mike the Pro, come in.
My favorite. Okay, what is in this chest?
Oh, nothing. Hey, come up now, come up. I'm in it, and there's so I'm gonna get you.
Okay,
Oh,
where are you? I think I'm gonna go upstairs.
now go upstairs and we're gonna play. Oh, upstairs again. Bedroom key card required.
What is
Shit.
this? Oh, is that upside down world? Okay, what is that?
Oh shit. It's
Real world in the bakery card. Oh, I have a mic.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Yeah, required. Okay, what is this thing?
Oh, sorry again. I make a mess.
Do you know how to date behind? Okay, what is this? We have a wither skull with a skeleton.
Ah, yeah. I'm bad at
I think
parkour.
Ivor's gonna like this.
Oh, I'm not like this parkour.
Oh yeah. What?
Oh, I can dive into that place. Second.
Oh, parkour. One more parkour.
Oh shit, I died.
No. Come on, I'm superior lord.
Oh, I'm not. Scar. Oh. Oh, I'm just die. I'm gonna die. Cause
Oh
why?
no. How did you do this?
Oh, I can dive in. We can dive, guys. Oh. Oh shit!
Sorry, I farted. Sorry, I farted, babe.
Hey, come.
Okay.
Shit! I go down.
Oh, this is the most hard Minecraft challenge.
Hey, wait a minute. Give me the axe.
Okay, I give you. Okay.
You would do that. Hey, why do you have?
Oh, you kidding me?
Excuse me,
Are you
excuse me,
kidding
please.
Are you kidding me, dude?
This is the slab, and maybe I will do a cheat.
Just parkour, man.
Oh,
Just parkour. Please.
I'll do a cheat. I will.
Stop. I need a bed. Oh yeah. Creepy.
Excuse me, please. Can I cheat this? Can I?
You're cheating. Oh, it's night. It's night.
Oh,
Find
I
the
can't.
trap. It's night. Oh yeah, cheat mode.
Oh, I can't dive. So,
What?
excuse me, please. Excuse me. Oh,
You put in there. You place in there. How about that? How about this?
hey, make it. Now we're gonna. Oh shit! I can.
Yeah, cheat mode.
Maybe I can break this. Oh,
Found it. Oh yeah.
where am I? I'm
Cheat
in the
mode.
out of this.
Okay.
Yay!
We need a key. We need a key, please.
Oh, I'm
I
using
need
a
a
jet,
key.
guys.
Okay, we'll have it and find him there. Okay. I'm sorry, I farted.
It's okay, guys. It's okay. You
I need
just,
to
you
find
just-
that key. Where is the key? Break chest. Where's the key? Oh yeah, I got it. Railroad activator.
I got for them because I used chess.
Okay, I found. Required. Okay, railroad activator.
Hello there. If you're watching my video, how did you get upstairs? How? Oh,
There's nothing happens. Railroad activator number 3.
hey, where are
Number
you?
3. Oh come on, it didn't work.
Now,
I need activator. Please.
I'm cheating this.
I'm cheating.
I'm cheating. Yes, we're cheating, right? Nah, it's okay.
Okay, it's the neighbor.
Oh, there you are. I'm gonna add this.
The neighbor is not
Oh,
invisible anymore.
Where? Where are you? Where are you? We're gonna kill that neighbor. Kill that neighbor. That's why. Such like a fucking shit. Where's the neighbor? Huh?
It's in the kitchen. It's
Where?
still in the kitchen. I really don't like that neighbor.
It's just like a bullshit.
Come on.
Oh, there you are, neighbor. But I'm. Oh. Kill me. Oh shit. You didn't kill me. You didn't kill me. Kill me. Yes. Don't know that.
Wait, the killer is the villager?
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh, it's a villager. Oh, where's that neighbor? I must destroy him.
Oh, there's a neighbor. Oh.
Hey!
Oh, sorry guys, but we're gonna end this video. This is the part 1. Yes, this is the part 1. Sorry.
Till the sleep.
Oh, wait lang.